Hi everyone, this is Smiley here. In the previous episode, we have already learned some basic information for the interface of the Microbit and learned how to download the Microbit package inside it. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to open the program that we wrote before through this interface. So first of all, we need to click the projects and then choose import file. And after clicking it, you can see the file that we installed, the programs that we wrote. You can see here are the programs. So we can randomly choose the gameplay one, breathing light. Choose it and then click open button. So then click go ahead. After a while, you will see the programs inside this black ball. So it's very easy and convenient to operate it. If you want to make any modification on it, it's very easy for you to open it through the way that I told you. So if you still have any questions on that, please feel free to contact us. See you there.